will be showing you how I film
at night.
Stay tuned for this video. You film your videos in the daytime. I'm committed to putting out content. If I can't get the content out in the daytime, I need another source of light. So I went on Amazon, went on the search, and I saw the same brand that I have, the ring light, Neewer, I think that's how you pronounce it. I wanted to get those. I spent over $100. I found this company, Raleno, but it's R-A-L-E-N-O. I'll put it across the screen. There have been instances that I have filmed a video in the day. Lighting is very important, and I'm basically starting all over. You know, I watch videos, I want to help too, and grow my channel at the same time. A lot of questions from people, and they ask me, like, I've been on YouTube for some time, but I'm still growing my channel. I am one to share as I grow.
Unboxing time. The lights were under $100. I love them. Thank you so much for watching this video.